In today's video, we will dive into a comparison between two innovative laundry solutions perfect for small spaces: the WonderWash portable washing machine and the 16L foldable portable washer. Both machines cater to those living in apartments, RVs, or simply looking for efficient laundry options. We'll explore their unique features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you decide which one suits your needs best. Let's get started. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring physical effort to crank and wash clothes, making it ideal for off-grid situations. In contrast, the 16L foldable portable washer is electric, offering a semi-automatic experience with timed cleaning modes that require minimal effort from the user. This difference in operation significantly impacts convenience and usability for different lifestyles. The WonderWash has a fixed design that requires a dedicated space on your countertop, which may not be ideal for everyone's. On the other hand, the 16L foldable portable washer can collapse down to a compact size, making it easy to store in small spaces when not in use. This foldable feature enhances its portability and convenience for those with limited storage options. One significant difference is the dehydration capabilities. The WonderWash does not include a spin function, meaning clothes must be wrung out manually after washing. In contrast, the 16L foldable portable washer features a spin basket that helps remove excess water, reducing drying time and making laundry tasks more efficient. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the 16L foldable portable washer offer unique advantages for those in need of portable laundry solutions. The WonderWash is perfect for those who prefer a manual, eco-friendly option, while the 16L model provides modern convenience with its electric operation and foldable design. Consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing the right washer for your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.